If you're located in India and thinking about grabbing a VPN, but all the choices out there seem a bit overwhelming, don't worry, I've got you covered. I'm going to talk about which VPNs are actually worth your time instead of wasting money on the ones that don't deliver. And if you do decide to get one of them, then check out the links in the description below or just scan the QR code on your screen to get the deals available on some VPNs I actually recommend. Now, here's the thing when it comes to picking the best VPN for India. There are 4 things you need to care about, and if a VPN can't nail these, it's basically useless. First up, speed. India's internet can be unpredictable, so the last thing you need is your VPN dragging you down with buffering, lag, or drop streams. Second is security. If you're using a VPN, it better be locking things down with solid, strong encryption or a solid no logs policy. Otherwise, what's the point? Third is ease of use, because let's be honest, nobody wants to sit there looking through endless settings just to get connected. And finally, reliability. A VPN that constantly drops connection or can't get past geo restrictions is just dead weight. So yeah, those are the big 4. Now let's get into the VPNs that actually nail these points. Surfshark VPN is a great option if you've got a lot of devices to cover because one account works on unlimited devices. It's a huge win if you've got multiple phones, laptops, you name it. Surfshark is fast, it's secure, and it's one of the best at bypassing geo restrictions, which is especially handy if you're streaming. You also get extras like built-in ad blocking and protection against trackers, and the app itself is super simple. Even if you're not into tech, you'll have it running in minutes. Right now, they're offering 60% off plus 3 free months. Then there's CyberGhost VPN, which is perfect if you like having options. They've got one of the largest server networks, which means you won't be stuck with overload connections. CyberGhost is great for streaming too. Dedicated profiles for different platforms, so you don't have to waste time guessing which servers work best. The app is user-friendly, but still has advanced features if you want to tweak things. Plus, they include an automatic kill switch to keep your data safe if the connection drops. They've got a big discount running right now at 84% off, plus 4 free months. TotalVPN is the underdog here though. It's great if you just want something simple that does the job without slowing you down. It's lightweight, easy to install, and works across a ton of devices. TotalVPN sticks to the essentials, which is perfect if you don't care about a million extra features and just want solid protection while browsing or streaming. It's straightforward, it works, and it's cheap. You can get it for 80% off right now, which makes it a solid pick if you're on a budget but still want real protection. Now, of course, NordVPN has to be in the mix because it's one of the biggest names for a reason. The speeds are some of the fastest you'll find, which makes it perfect for streaming, torrenting, and gaming in India, where slowdowns are already common. It's also one of the most reliable when it comes to unblocking geo-restricted platforms. So if you're trying to watch stuff that's region blocked, Nord usually gets the job done. On top of that, you get features like dark web monitoring and their CyberSec tool that blocks ads and malware. The servers are optimized for privacy and performance, and the app is simple to use. No matter what device you're on, right now, the deal is 74% off plus 3 free months as well. And lastly, but not least, we have NortonVPN. This one's great if you're already in the Norton ecosystem with their antivirus or security tools, but even if you're not, it's still a solid pick because the brand has decades of experience in keeping people safe online. NortonVPN doesn't try to overwhelm you with options. It's clean, simple, and just works in the background while you browse or stream. The connections are stable, the setup is quick, and the kind of service that doesn't get in your way. They've got a deal going up for $35 off right now. So at the end of the day, the best VPN for India is one that keeps your connection fast, protects your privacy, is easy to use, and actually works when you need it most. These VPNs do all that and then some. And right now you can lock them in at prices that are way lower than usual. Go ahead, check out the links in the description or scan the QR code on your screen to get the best details available. Now, before you head out, let me know in the comments. When it comes to VPNs in India, what's more important to you personally? Streaming performance, strong privacy, or just keeping the cost low? Go ahead, just share it in the comments below.